Dear viewer, we will show you how you can assemble the Soq Sultan face shield. Okay, as you see, it has one tab here and one tab here. So you need to start from here, insert the sheet from here inside, and then connect the 1, 2, and 3 and 4 these notches to the holes on this sheet. So let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so you can start from one of the side. Put this plastic visor sheet. Okay, so put this visor sheet here under this tab like this and press this down. So now the sheet is here and the first hole is connected. Then you go to the second one and snap it. Okay, now you go to the third one and then you go to the last one, but make sure you put this last end here inside, and then make sure this holes are properly aligned and inserted. That's about it, and you have this complete face shield and it's ready to use it. You can use this strap to tighten here according to your need. It's ready to use it. You can flip down. All right, so you have a good day. Thank you.